Let's see. Okay, it's starting. So, say hi.
Hello.
We're excited. The big night is here.
Yep, sure.
And we want to show you all our family and friends who happen to just be staged perfectly for your enjoyment. So everybody wave. Okay, we're going to take a poll. Those who think it is a girl, cheer, laugh, dance, do something. Okay. Oh, okay. Those who think it is a boy, cheer. And I think those are all. And we just made a baby cry.
Where's the baby?
Oh, okay. That's little Max. Sorry, Max. Okay, so if everybody will head outside of the chairs. Head outside. We're gonna get the show on the road.
How about one of each?
Yeah, right. Twins. Oh, Dad, don't push it.
We had.
That's true.
Dad?
I know you.
Yeah. I'm looking for George's. Oh, there he is. George at FavorFamily.org. Oh, did you give Pam her coat?
Yeah. Hey, love. Save me a seat.
Tell Mom sister, brother? What do you want, sister?
What is it? Do you want a sister or you want a brother? We don't know. She just sees the brownie. That's what is important right now.
I'm trying to raise it to the camera.
Okay.
I've got my boat in.
Oh, Emily. Emily has blue. It has pink. All right. All right, Jenny.
I know. I'm going now.
Come on, girl. Come on.
I hope it's a healthy baby.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, we're gonna go see the fireworks. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, he doesn't have to put him away. It's just leave him here. Really. Now just. Aw. What a good boy.
I have. It's been a while, but yes.
Hi, Mom. You want to say anything?
Hi, I'm excited. We're excited.
Hi, Carmen.
Hello. We're excited to have the little baby, whatever it is.
Oh, we shall see.
Perfect night.
I know. But see, this is why I taped inside, because you cannot see a thing out here.
Keep that baby warm.
Let's see. Okay, you guys, we have the last of the people. Why is Dad inside? Oh,
Brent, stay with Mommy, honey.
Mom, why is Dad inside?
I don't know. I didn't see him.
Yep, he went upstairs. He's going to miss it. Hey, Uncle Steve, can you call my dad? He went upstairs, and my battery's dying, so we got to start this show. Dad, never following instructions. Just kidding. I love you, Dad.
What's going on? Oh, you wanted to get his camera on?
I don't know, but mine's about to die, so. No, because it's.
I don't know what level is needed. I don't know. I wouldn't.
Hey, Dave. Oh. Okay, hold on. My dad ran back inside, so we're waiting for him. And of course, the low battery sign would come on right now.
No, they are. Fireworks.
What? Yeah, that's true. I might try my iPhone too. Okay, little flip phone. Please last until the fireworks go up.
Can you see anything on that, or you just recorded?
No, you can't see anything. That's why I taped everyone inside.
Okay, good.
But of course the low battery would come on right now.
Uh-oh.
Okay, is Dad here?
Oh, I can see.
Uncle Steve, is he here?
He's getting a sweater, he said.
Are you kidding me? Okay, we've got to do this. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Should I push it?
Wait, hold on just a second, because I'm going to do my... Okay, there he is. Okay, hold on.
Should I start him?
No, hold on. Okay.
There's an apple. There you go.
All right, tell him.
That rocks.
Okay, I don't know where it's shooting, but I hope it shoots up and not into the house.
I have no idea.
There's a red plane. Is that a sign?
That could be.
It's got a pink one in the back. Oh, it's got a blue light on top of it.
Elena's coming.
We might all have to yell, light him, George, in a minute. Oh, there we go. Oh, here we go.
Okay. Here we go.
Yes, baby. Okay, here.
Elena, the fireworks are coming.
Uh-oh. I might have some operator error.
There it goes. It's a white light.
Oh my goodness.